kayo mangging kulay. Karapatan mo ang maging malaya, pero bakit hinayaang ito'y mawala? Masdan mo ang lipunan, damhin ng kahirapan. Sinong nangangarap maghirap at magdusa? Sinong nangangarap mamuhay malayo sa pamilya? Kabataan, mag-isip ka naman. Kabataan, ito'y iyong pakinggan. Paalala ko lang sa iyo, kaibigan, tanongin ang sarili, gisingin kaisipan.
They say that we don't care about the land that we own. We're only burning hopes on Smoky Mountain slopes, but that ain't true. We're the eagles that have grown from the nest, got our eye on the sparrow. Put you to test, do you know what's in your marrow? Born on this land, on the palm of your hand, a hard lines drawn by your ancient masters to protect you from coming disasters, inspire you to respawn faster. Listen to the wind, to the sky, touch the ground. Did you see the signs that are blinking all around? Can't you hear the bells that are ringing through the town? Don't you think it's time we be proud to be brown? Know your real story, hear the way that it sounds. Born Filipino, this is how I resound. Yeah, I'm born Filipino and my heart's homebound. Yeah, I'm born Filipino, this is how I resound. Yeah, I'm born Filipino and my heart's homebound. Yeah, I'm born Filipino, this is how I resound. Yeah, I'm born Filipino and my heart's homebound.
Kabataan, magtanong ka naman. Kabataan, ito'y iyong pakinggan. Isipin ang kinabukasan, lingunin pinanggalingan, mahalin ang iyong sarili. Kabataan, ika'y pinili. Paalala ko lang sa iyo, kaibigan. Paalala ko lang sa iyo, kaibigan. Paalala ko lang sa iyo, kaibigan. Paalala ko lang sa iyo, kaibigan.